Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with my scrapbook.com haul. Right here, what you're seeing, all the freebies I've gotten from a few sales, okay? So let's just go into the freebies real quick and let's just go right into video. Let's get started. So I got the scrapbook and cards magazine. If you do add this to your cart, you have something lightweight like this. This will make your shipping go up, but it's a great magazine. Another freebie, look at this, Doodlebug. Scrapbook.com exclusive. Love. You get a little Christmas tree, Christmas gifts. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Isn't this nice? Oh, so there is a coordinating die. Okay, I didn't know that. I saw the die. I didn't realize it was a coordinating exclusive die. I'm going to definitely check that out. Okay, I may get that, but depends on the price. Because if it's like $30, no. I'll tell you now, no. 2023, I'm trying to use what I have. Scrapbook.com scissors, 4-inch scissors for free. Love. Also, the Magic of Winter. Now, I bought this paper pack. I love this paper pack. If you're making a lot of cards into this winter, fabulous colorway. Love, love, lots of backgrounds to use for scene building in a background that you don't have to work at, like snow in the background. Really, really pretty paper pack. Love, love, love. Great for masculine cards too. Doodlebug here. This one is Candy Cane Lane from their newest release. This says scrapbook.com exclusive ephemera pack from the Candy Cane Lane. It took pieces from Odds and Ends, The Chit Chat, and Bits and Pieces. Oh, that's nice. Love, love. So those are my freebies. Thank you so much. Scrapbook.com. Of course, I still have to say a special thank you to scrapbook.com and Spellbinders. Yes, I have to talk about it. Black Platinum 6 die cut machine with the pink cutting plates. Universal plate system too. Come on. If you're in the market for a new die cut machine, they sent that to me to play with. So I have to, I don't have to do it, but I like to appreciate them and let you guys know that's a great die cutting machine. Solid die cutting machine. I'm about to hot foil with her soon too. So you'll see that video. Here is the pink cutting plate, okay? Used with a regular. On the universal plate system. Loving. Alrighty, next, what I'm super excited about. Great time to organize my craft room because my craft room is a hot mess. Totally Tiffany buddy bag. The Chastity buddy bag. I saw this at scrapbook.com and I saw that it can hold 30 Distress Oxide or Distress Inks, the full size pads. Love. So I got a pack. I think I'm going to get a second one. Right now, I have my Distress Oxide in the Tim Holtz tin, but I have my Distress Inks, which are a little bit older, but they work just as fine. But I have them in this big, huge, kind of like a Sterilite container, that type of thing, like what you buy at Target, and it's in that. I do have some buddy bags, but the one that I had before, she was a smaller bag and she could only hold maybe 8. This is holding 30, so I'm loving that I can keep the whole line together, plus organize them, because this also comes with 30 ink pad stickers. So it's holding them, stacking on top of each other. So on the side, I can put the name and I'll have it stored in the right orientation because I live here in South Florida. And this is where Tim Holtz tells us, if you live anywhere where it's humid, store your oxide and your Distress Inks ink pad down like the picture here, not on the side. They'll leak and get messy. So I like that I can also put all my pinks together, reds, blues, purples. That's why I think I'm going to get another one. Now that I see it, I'm like, oh yes. I'll tell you guys how this is. I'm going to show it to you too when it's done. I'm so happy I can take them out of that box that I had them in. Because I had them in that box, I actually wasn't using them because it's over in a corner and I just never go over to that corner. So I'm like, now I can have maybe one Chastity box. More than likely I'm going to need 2 because I think I have the full set of Distress Inks plus some of the new colors too. So I'm going to need more. Next, I stocked up on some scrapbook.com envelopes. You can buy the envelopes by itself and they also come in new colors, pink and teal, but those are sold out. I saw this combination and this is the combination I bought. You get 15 storage envelopes You guys have seen me use these. These can hold up to 6 or 7 die sets, etc. Now there's a box, a scrapbook.com storage box. You can now store your dies this way in here. I wanted to see it. This is $24.99 for the whole thing. So I'm going to give it a try. I'll let you guys know what I think. I think I'm going to be excited because I'm already excited by this. What am I going to put in there? I'm thinking I'm going to put all my Spellbinders florals in one place because right now I have them everywhere. All Spellbinders together. So maybe in that box, that can just be all Spellbinders florals. I'll let you know how that works out. I got 15. So already, this is like $10 already just for 2. And then this is like 5. So that's 15. And then I get this storage box. So for the 24, I think it's worth it. Also, speaking of Spellbinders, I did get 2 new wax seal stamps. Of course, this came after Christmas, so I had a plan to use it. Okay, yeah, didn't get the chance to use it. But I have been playing with my seals again. Oh, did you hear me just say, oh? I learned something new. I told you I was overwhelmed by the professionals, but now that I kind of dipped my foot in the wax seal kit, I'm like, oh, let me watch 1 or 2 videos and, oh, let me give this a try. Ooh, so we'll talk about that in another video. I noticed I started out like how I always start out, then all of a sudden things started changing and I'm like, wait a second. I could see just from one session of factory making wax seals, I saw the change occur just from watching a video and implementing what I saw. So, you know, I'm going to break it down for you. So I got this one, Gifts on Arrival. That's that one with the little car. That looks like a little English car. I love that. This one, Love You Heart. Love for Valentine's. I think that's highly appropriate. So this one came in time then. We'll be playing with that and I need some more red. Yeah, along with playing, I started mixing colors. You know I had to make purple. So I did like blues and reds, but I need a few more solid white and solid red wax beads. Oh, one more wax seal. I did order this. I'm going to try. This is Honeybee Stamps wax seal. Now you see the difference right here. Notice how Spellbinders much more intricate. And then here's Honeybee. Not as intricate. It has a good weight though. I haven't tried it yet, but I just wanted you to know that theirs is more just one image. That's it. It's not like super detailed like this one. There is a difference between the two, but is it all good? I bet you it is. I wanted a snowflake and I'll wait for Spellbinders to do their intricate snowflake. But in the meantime, I wanted to try this one. But you see the difference? See how you can tell the difference? It feels roughly about the same. Maybe theirs is just a hair heavier. Cute. So this one is called Snowflake Wax Stamper. Going to give it a try. I'll let you guys know. I also got 2 things. Oh, I need to come back to Spellbinders, but I'll go back to Spellbinders afterwards. I got 2 things from Fawn. From their latest release, I only got 1 thing. I'm so proud of myself. Normally, I like must, and then I don't use them. So I have them waiting for some Fawn weekend that I haven't had yet. But this was just too cute. This is the cabin, and the cabin, you can do any colorway. Build a cabin by Fawn. Not a bad price point either. Let's go with the size. 3 by 3.5. Love. So cute. Just put little critters and everything. I got the Fawn metal snips. As if I needed another metal snip. No, I don't. What is this? For new crafters, this is to help you cut your dies apart. Separate your dies, okay? See all those little lines? Let's see the quality. Okay, let's have a little sidebar while we're here. So normally, take a die like this, and I go like this, and I snip, and I snip, and I snip. Feels good so far. Oh. Now this bit, I go over a garbage can and snip it, or you can snip and twist. I'm not going to do it here because I don't have anything here. I don't want it to fly. But you can just snip. I still do it by a garbage can. Hold, and then you twist and take it off. Reason why we're doing the sidebar. This actually feels really good, and I'm surprised. Because, let's talk about how many snips I have. Notice the laugh? And I'm still buying more because I'm trying to find the gold star. The snip that I love has been this one. My bead smith from a million years ago. She's even discolored, but she is my all-time favorite. She feels good in the hand. She snips well, but you see what happens when you start snipping those corners? See how she bent? Yeah. So I've been trying to find, I can't find her anymore. Even when I went back to the company, I bought a separate one from them. It wasn't the same. It was so depressing. But there's something about her profile and the way she fits in and the way she snips and the way she feels in my hand. I love this one. It's always been chasing down trying to get this. I bought this one. She's okay. The Eigen, she's a little bit thicker. She's more metal, but you see how she's thicker? So this one doesn't go into tight spaces. What's a tight space? The distance between here and here. Sometimes they get very small. Because she's so thick, she doesn't get in there really easy. That one I got from Amazon. I got this one from Hero Arts, which, are they the same? They're not exactly the same. I think there's a little bit more of a curve here than this one. They both have the shiny handle, but this one feels better. The Lawn Fawn feels better. This one, okay. Not so, it's not like the be all end all. It's not this. It's not this. Then I even got this one, which was more pricey. I bought this one on Amazon. Oh, it's the same Eigen, same this, but more metally. She has her moments too. See, she's already bending at the top. It's those little tight spots. But my oldie broken goodie. This is my by far favorite. So what does this mean? Find the one you like. If you find yourself reaching for this and she just snips everything so clean and easy, get 2 of them and put it down. See how the arm is already slipping? I should have gotten 2 of these because this is years now, like well over 10 years or so, but she just gets into every nook and cranny, but she did crack the top. Even though I keep buying all of these, every time I get a new pack of dies like this, I'm pulling out my oldie but goodie. But I'm going to give this one a try. I'll let you guys know. I'll see if she stands up. Curious. I'm just, yeah, it's curious. I've been trying to get a second one to this because of the fact that that top is cracked. She doesn't go into the tight spaces that I would like her to sometimes. And then I'll end up pulling out. This is normally the other one that I pull out, this one. But I don't like that it stays open like this. I wanted it to relax more like these. She stays open. Super sharp though, but she doesn't get into everything. She looks like she would, but she doesn't. And she was rated well, but she doesn't work as flawless as my oldie but goodie. As my oldie but goodie beadsmith. If you have one of those orange beadsmith and you don't want it, send me a message. I'll buy it from you. Yeah, in good condition. Oh yes, I love my little girl. And I bought the other colors, not good. I don't even know where they are because I'll put them in like crop bags and stuff like that. But this one, all time. She just, yeah, in my hand, we are like in sync. Next, I got the mirror cardstock. Along with that, I also got at scrapbook.com the Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foil. There's a new color, satin rose gold. Look at that. Pretty, 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 pretty. This would be really good with like a cream cardstock. This would be really good around fall too. You see the colors? Pretty. Pink and Maine. I saw this and I was just like, it was something about these stackable snowmen and this guy here in his little just so cute. Adorable. Let's get cozy. Look at these little fonts too and the little sentiments and the little snowman. It's adorable. And of course, I got the matching dies to complement it. It's called Hello Winter. So this is perfect for your winter crafting. Cute. So cute. There is a sister to this, but you would have had to have gotten it back with Stamp Timber from Simon Says. That's the only time it was available. That's one other reason why I also picked this up, because I had the Stamp Timber one. So cute. Pink and Maine with the same little snowman. So I'm going to do like a, scene. Yeah. One of these days, right? I know. One Doodle Pop. Too cute though. Santa Vision. Come on. Isn't this adorable? I love this. It's so cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with it because it's just so adorable. Like, when it's this cute, it's like you just want to put it on a planner that you see every day and just... so cute. Putting it on a card to me would be wasting it on a card. But like a mini album or some project is just... And then he has a little shaky shake with sound. Come on. There's a whole bunch of Doodle Pops. Comes back to this... Doesn't it come back to this Santa Lane? I believe so. Yeah, these go together. Yeah, they go together. Super duper cute. Next, I had this in my cart for the longest time and I was like, okay, I really don't buy puffy stickers like this, but it's just so pretty, from PINKFRESH Studio. It's the Holiday Magic and I love the font here. Of course, I wish these were stamps. I mean, I don't think so. I haven't been following PINKFRESH as hard as I used to, so I'm not sure if they turned these into like hot foil plates with the coordinating die, but these are like fabulous. I think they should. Feeling festive, and I love that sentiment too, feeling festive, because then you could do a whole thing with feeling festive. Cute. Little cup. Everything here is just so cute. Puffy stickers for Holiday Magic. Love. Not a bad price point. Feels nice. Not super high, not super low. Just right. Cute. Great for scrapbooking too. Layouts, mini albums, etc. No, I'm not using this on a card. I doubt it. I'm going to use it on something else. Project maybe. And lastly, I got 2 Simon Hurley inks. I see Simon using these over and over and over again. These 2 colors together. Love Struck and Game Over. It's like Love Struck in the middle, Game Over on the edge, and then he uses another one called Shady. Shady is kind of like how you use Black Soot around the full edge. It goes from like red to a darker red, and then the Shady just makes it even darker. So I was waiting on this. No, I think this one sold out. It restocked, so I picked up both of them. Let you guys know how this works. Super cute. I did that demo one time where I had put some of his ink, like I just drew it and then put a little water and it just bloomed out like, oh, yeah, love that. Love that. Alrighty, crafters, that's it for my haul. The main takeaway from the haul, that Chastity Buddy bag. Super duper cute with the little finger pull to pull out like 6 at a time, and I'm going to arrange my colors in here. So I think I'm going to get a second one because they still have it in stock. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!